When you do a Google search, you sometimes get a very bloated result. Like here we have sponsored, and then scrolling down a little bit, we have what people also ask, and then here another popular products. And very often you'll have the first few links are sponsored links, and they're sometimes not quite even relevant to your search. And you can clean all this up and just get a very clean search result if you go to more and then hit web. Now all that is gone. We just have clean search results. But every time you search for something, you don't want to have to go to web manually every time. And these also have codes in the link. So if you were to go through this link now, it's a very, very long link. But at some point in this link, you would see a code saying UDM equals 14. And that's the code for web. So if we want to get a clean web search result every time, we can add that as a default in settings. So if you go to settings and then search engine and then manage search engine, here you can see Google is the default. There are others like Yahoo, Bing, and so on. But you can also add more defaults, so to speak, into that link so that every time you search something, it'll automatically add that web code into the link. And you can do that by just hitting add, and then you can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to call it clean so I know what it is. And the shortcut will be Google, and down here you type in the following link. I can put this text in the description of this video so it's easier to find. https://www.google.com/search ? And then there's that UDM equals 14 code that takes you to a web result. And then the and s is your actual search. So that's where your search query would be. So let's say I'm searching for HP ProBook like I was doing before. That HP ProBook would be in place of that and s. Now you just hit add, and there it is. Now all you have to do is set this as the default, so it automatically adds that to every search. And you do that by clicking this three-dot menu right here and make default. Mine is grayed out for whatever reason. I'm going to have to figure that out later, but that is how you do it. And then you can exit out of settings. All the settings you change inside Chrome save automatically. You can exit out. And then every time you do a search now, it'll automatically give you the web results.